Hello from UX Avengers. This is the case study of our 48-hour designathon conducted by UX Anveep and Growth School. So we have selected DailyObjects App. Our problem statement is evaluate the search and filter flow for daily objects, which includes searching product from search bar and applying filter and opening the product details page and redesign the experience to make the product design better. Also, we are targeting on increasing of retention and DAUs. So these are the team members. Me, Sumukh, was assigned timekeeping and video editing. I played a major role in heuristics and secondary research. Shailza, secondary research, played a major role in ideation and UI. Megha, documentation, played a major role in copy data research and brainstorming. Kopal, primary research, played a major role in secondary research and testing. Uzma, primary research, played a major role in secondary research and testing. Sanku, UI, played a major role in heuristics, primary research and ideation. Mahi, UI.
Let's talk about the decision that we have made after competitive analysis and the research part. We introduced some new features and we also alter some existing user interface and the experience. Let's talk about the things that we have made. We put the search bar at the tops for good visibility and the accessibility. We also provide some camera and voice assistant option to the user. We also introduce new option that is real, where user can get idea about the product that is reviewed by the influencer, where they can share the product to their family members and friends, and they can buy the product at that time also. We also improved the hero banner, like we are giving giving impactful shop now button, and we also give some related image to the banner so that user can get idea about the category that app is offering. We also provide some signifier, carousel signifier, so that user can get idea this is a slider, not an image. Let's talk about the search. Like in this search, we are providing some recommendation like trending search, recently viewed items, and recent search, so that user can easily get recognize the product that they want to buy rather than recall. And we also try to make it more interactive by using graphic. And in product list page, we are also giving some new feature that is rating, share options, and wish list, so that user can by rating they can get trust of the product, like it's a valuable, and by sharing they can share the product with their family members, and by wish list they can they can make the collection of the product so that they can maybe buy later. We also provide by sharing option, we also worked on the DAU. By filter options, on filter we also give some new options to the user so that they can have good control and freedom over choosing the product. That's how we improved our user experience, and we worked on our DAU and retention.
Hello everyone, so I'll be talking about review highlight feature and why we introduced it. So in this feature, influencers will be reviewing a product, and it will help in gaining the trust of the user. So the problem that the users were facing was the users were not able to identify what does the app does, and they were lost in the app trying to figure out what the app does. One of the users felt that this app is for apparels, and which is really not the case. And after that, we have also introduced various features in the search, like recent viewed items and also recent searches. The reason for introducing these features was one of our users, we told her to uh, search for the item that she searched, let's say for 5 minutes ago, but she was not able to search it quickly. And also she discovered accidentally that the recently viewed items in the cart page, and she was not able to find it. That's why we introduced it in the search, so that she'll be able to search things in much better manner. And also we have introduced searching through scanning a product and choosing it from a gallery, and also searching through voice. So what we found out that our competitors had given similar kind of features, which were helping user a lot, because it gave them the efficiency of searching uh, by a image instead of and by a voice also, instead of searching through the traditional methods.
After we were ready with our user interface, the most exciting part came. Starting off from the home screen, the users were actually satisfied, while some users were confused about this highlight feature here, and the other users were appreciating the key trusting elements that we had put here. Uh, and now the users were actually able to judge what the main product categories are. Now moving on to the second screen, the search screen, we had all the options here, which helped the user to get a better understanding of how to navigate throughout the app. The users were also happy with what the details here were written. They helped them to judge better about the product, while some users mentioned that there should also be a technical filter aspect to our filter option here. Users also appreciated that availability of the product is also a feature here. Then so we got some key highlights and we got some technical glitches to work upon it.
Here is the collection of work that we did in 48 hours. So here you can see right from the our app flow to doing primary research to secondary research to making final prototype. So yeah, and here you can see our time tracker to keep our team on time. And yeah, this is the final prototype. This is how our product look like after redesign. This is the collection of our Notion documents that we. So here is my team UX Avengers, and here are the insights that we did in all those 48 hours, right from making problem statement card to understanding the problem statement and making flow diagrams to the project execution plan and making identifying the problem and the heuristic evaluations to making the final UI and finally did the usability testing. So yeah,